stabilize that a little bit. All right, so what is your name and the name of your business?
My name is Steve, and my company is Chocolate on Tap.
And what did you learn that you can apply?
What I learned that I can apply is having a business that I can build from the ground up. That's already been built for you, and it just makes it a lot easier to get an e-commerce business off the ground.
And then what was your biggest takeaway from the workshop?
Oh man, for the biggest takeaway, I don't know where to start. There's so many things. You've got videos that Manuel is going to be making to help you do this business. The skincare line, it's like made about 80-90% organic. So all the waste that comes out, just goes right into the ocean and turns into fish food and doesn't kill the plankton in the sea.
And do you think other people could benefit from coming to these?
Yes, this is, I don't know, like maybe our fourth or fifth event here at AGM, and we just get nothing but knowledge and inspiration each and every time that we come.